This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you, because they are the best in the industry. Are you starting a business in Florida and heard about something called a DBA? Here is everything you need to know. What it is, who needs it, how to register step by step, and how to save time by using a service like Busy. Let's start with the basics. DBA stands for Doing Business As. It's a way for your business to operate under a different name than your legal name or your company's registered name. So for example, if your legal name is Susan Johnson and you want to run a business called Sunshine Suites, you would register a DBA for that name. Or if your LLC is called Ocean Group LLC, but you want to open a coffee shop under the name Wave Cafe, you will need a DBA for that. It's also known as a fictitious name in Florida. You are a sole proprietor or partnership using any name that's not your own personal name. Or you have a corporation or LLC but want to use a different brand name. Without a DBA, you can't legally operate under your business name in Florida, and you may run into issues when opening a business bank account or signing contracts. Here is how to register a DBA in Florida. You will be registering your name with the Florida Division of Corporation. Step 1. Search your business name. Before you do anything, make sure your name is available. Go to sunbiz.org, that's the Florida's Division of Corporation's official site. Click on Search Records, then Fictitious Name, and type in your desired business name. If it's already taken, you will need to come up with something else. Step 2. Publish a legal notice. Optional but recommended. Florida law used to require you to publish your DBA in a local newspaper, but it's no longer mandatory. Still, some countries or banks may request proof of publication. It's a good idea to check with your local government or bank just in case. Step 3. File your DBA online. Now it's time to register your fictitious name. Go back to sunbiz.org and click on Fictitious Name Registration. Click Start a New Filing and fill out the form. You will need your chosen business name, your name and address or your LLC's name and address, business purpose or activity, EIN if you have one, signature and payment. The fee is $50 and the form is simple. You can finish it in under 10 minutes. Once submitted, you will get a certificate of registration via email or mail. After registering your DBA, you can start using the name immediately. You can open a business bank account under that name. You will be listed in Florida's public business records. But keep in mind, a DBA does not give you exclusive rights to the name. It's not trademark protection and it doesn't create a separate legal entity. Also, your Florida DBA is valid for 5 years. You will need to renew it before it expires or it will be removed from state records. All this sound like too much to keep track of? If you want to make the whole process faster, easier, and error-free, head over to busy.com. Busy offers a DBA registration service where they check your name availability, handle the full filling for you with the state, send you the official certificates, and even help with publication if needed. It's perfect for first-time business owners who want it done right or just don't have time to deal with government paperwork. Instead of guessing which form to file, Busy walks you through every step, or they just handle it for you. Visit busy.com, the link is in the caption. Start your business with the name you love without the stress. That's how you register a DBA in Florida. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more step-by-step business tips.